Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have s, t, t, s. So this one they are degrees number 1. And this is about homogeneous. So I will put about s equals to vt. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, this one we have dv over dt multiplied by t. This one we have number 1, so we have v, and that is about the product rule of the derivative. So this one I will put in here. This one we change by s. Now we need to simplify t, 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 and t in here. So about v I will put on the right. Next we do common denominator. So this one we have 2v minus v square. For v minus 2v we have 2v. Negative negative we have positive v square. So this one I will put on the left, dt and t we put on the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will concentrate on this one. So, about 2v, we can put into 3v minus v. V and v we can do about factorization. Number 3 and number 3 we can do another factorization. V minus 1, v minus 1 we can do another factorization. Next, we can do about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over v plus 3, capital B over v minus 1. Later that we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about v minus 1. So capital A multiplied by v minus 1. About this one, it is missing about v plus 3. So capital B multiplied by v plus 3. Now, we need to arrange based on the terms of v. About v, we have a plus b. About the numbers, we have a with negative number 1, number 3 with b. Now, we need to compare coefficients. This one, that is about negative number 1. So a plus b equals to negative number 1. This one equals to number 2. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of A and B. So A equals to negative 5 over 4, B equals to 1 over 4. And now we put A and B go in here. So the integration of this one, we have negative 5 over 4 Ln of the absolute value of v plus 3. The next one, we have 1 over 4 Ln of the absolute value of v minus 1. And I will put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of t. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by t. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.